Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. This is the hotel edition. You have tuned in to your non-regularly scheduled broadcast, and yet I bring you a new environment. But we've got the same theme, which is craft beer. This one from Belching Beaver. Now we're getting into milkshake territory. And those of you who have followed me for a little while know that I am very polarized when it comes to milkshake style IPAs. In some ways, I absolutely love them. And in other ways, they are absolutely terrible. What I mean is I have had both. I think Tired Hands Brewery out of Pennsylvania is the best brewer in the nation when it comes to using lactose in pale ales. That being said, I have had some awful lactose IPAs from no other than close place in the heart, Moonraker. My boys right up the road in Auburn, California. Love Moonraker. Hate. Terrible word, but I'm going to use it. I hate their milkshake IPAs. I will continue to try them and see how they improve, but they're bad, or they have been. So this one, I'm going in with a blank slate. I've actually never had anything from Belching Beaver, and I've heard about Belching Beaver. I know there was a beer that was really exclusive. It was like peanut butter something. Anyways, then all of a sudden I think it like became available and was like in stores and it wasn't exclusive, and so there could be some drama there I'm not totally aware of. Oh, why am I in a hotel? Funny you should ask. I'm on a business trip and I put this in my shoe so that I could bring it with me and be here with you all today. Plus, I didn't know what the circumstance would be, what time I'd be back to the hotel. You know, sometimes it's nice to sit down, have a beer, a relaxing drink in the hotel while you miss your family. Anyways, so here I am in a hotel in the Bay Area. What else about this? This is an orange vanilla milkshake double IPA, and I just got back from having a literally plate of meat for dinner. It was spicy hot links, it was burnt ends, it was bacon wrapped chicken legs, and bacon wrapped jalapeno peppers. So I don't have a lot of room left in the gut, but we're gonna just try this. I'm already 3 minutes in without the distraction of kids. I don't know how that happened. I don't know that I'm actually going to finish this beer because I'm very full. But so 8.8%. This Mosaic hop laden double IPA is smooth and juicy with notes of orange and vanilla. All right, so quick refresher. What is a milkshake IPA? A milkshake IPA is an IPA that is brewed, in addition to the normal stuff that it's brewed with, lactose sugar. Lactose sugar is a sugar that is unfermentable, meaning when you introduce yeast to the wort, and the yeast start eating all like the grain sugars that you've extracted out from boiling it, they get to the lactose sugar, and the yeast say, "What is this? I cannot eat this." And they don't eat it. So what happens is that lactose sugar is left in the beer. The yeast go around it, they ignore it, and then you're left with a lactose sugary beer. Now, if you're constrained as a brewer, you're not going to put enough of that in to sweeten the beer. But in small doses, it just adds body to the beer. It doesn't actually add like a milkiness to the beer. So despite seeing milkshake IPA on the label, you're actually not getting like there's no creaminess that's associated with lactose sugar. There is sweetness and there is body, but that's all kind of in your head. So one thing I'll say right off the bat, this is an orange vanilla milkshake, and this does look like an orange vanilla milkshake. Very nice, beautiful, hazy orange color. Not much of a head, but it's higher ABV. Smell orange. I smell hops. Smells really good out of this terrible hotel glass. Not seeing a canning date, so we don't have that for you. I wish I could like swirl this. I poured kind of a big swig here. Wow. Yeah, getting big orange on the nose. I like that a lot. I mean, I literally feel like I just like went through the vegetable aisle at the store and I picked up the orange. Sometimes I do this and people probably look at me funny, but like I'll like scratch my fruit before I put it in the cart, and I'll just do that so that I can like open up some like smelling lanes. I'm really weird. Yeah, I mean, this smells legit orangey and delicious. Smells really good. I hope I like it. Cheers. Whoa. I like this beer. I like this beer quite a bit, and here is why. This is a great balance of sweet, but not overly sweet. Enough sweetness where it just like lets you know it's there. It borders on like a pinch more lactose sugar and this thing would be too sweet. But it's like malty enough with the high alcohol. You know, there's a big malt grain behind it. There's enough malt to support the sweetness from the sugar, from the lactose sugar, that is. And then also the thing that really threw me for a loop here, and I was not expecting at all, was this kiss of tartness. Not a sour beer, not too tart where it's going to throw you off and make you feel like you're drinking something weird. But literally, like when you eat a juicy, ripe orange, there's going to be some tartness there, right? It's not all sweet and fruity. I mean, there's tartness, and there's tartness here too. Yeah, it's really well balanced. I'm going out on a limb here, and I'm going to say, despite having milkshake beers from a number of breweries, probably at least 6 breweries, I'd say I've had milkshake style IPAs from. This is up there. I am very surprised. I'm very impressed. This is absolutely in the top echelon of lactose style IPAs, lactose style pale ales. I will not say this is better than Tired Hands. Tired Hands for me is still king. But these guys are giving them a run, guys. They're impressive. So go out and try something like this. If you're curious about the style, this would be a good one I would recommend. Tired Hands as well. Stay away. Don't judge the style from others, but good luck out there. Cheers.